Oh, hello and welcome back to Twitter Marketing Strategies and day 18 of my walking challenge. I certainly picked the wrong time of year to do this because it's so blooming hot here at the moment. July and August in sunny southern Spain is hot, and of course with climate change it's getting that much hotter. But that's the way it is. But I do recommend doing a challenging yourself. Later on this year I'll do a challenge and help you if you need some encouragement. So we set out a little plan. If you're interested in that, let me know. Okay, we'll do one thing at a time, which brings me on to my affiliate marketing tip for today, and that is to promote one product at a time. Particularly if you're starting out, get a good product that you use and that you can recommend. Obviously it wants to be good quality. You want to reserve your reputation. You don't want to be offering rubbish. But if you're using a product, go all in and either make some videos, make a blog post, do what you like, but to do that, but focus on one product at a time and do a good one. Okay, Syd Kirwan on a very hot day in sunny southern Spain. Thank you very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye bye.